Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Builderall account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Zoom account from your Builderall? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Zoom account from Builderall anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through Zoom, you know you can link your Zoom to your booking calendar, but maybe you're going to go ahead and switch your meeting providers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Builderall dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Builderall, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Zoom account from Builderall, here on the left side, you're going to go ahead and click on the build button. It looks like a light bulb. Once you do that, you'll see this menu, and you want to click here on build a booking calendar. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on integrations. Once you click there, scroll down until you see the word Zoom right here. You can see it has a green check mark next to it, and in order to disconnect it from Builderall, just click on the trash can icon next to it. All right, next you're going to get this warning that you should remove the integration from any kind of groups or calendars that's using it. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on this red delete button. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Zoom from your Builderall account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.